start back in the crouch position. Again, shift your glutes a little bit. Go back, take some good deep breaths. Head drop. A little bit of this, a little bit of your arms coming up. But overall, very relaxed. Come back up in the hamstring stretch. Slowly unravel, coming back up. Okay, now I like to put one hand like on my chest, and then with the other, kind of do these circular throws where it's like you're throwing your hand down, and the momentum of that brings it back up. And then I move my head in the opposite direction to get a little bit of my neck. So again, this isn't just moving around in circles like this. It's a flick. Same thing on the other side. Okay, we kind of like have different cutoff points. So first we cut off at the wrist. You're kind of walking this up until the wrist, right? And then you let your wrists move in these circles, and again, it's flicks. So my hands come down and it flicks my wrists in a circle. But from the wrists down to the fingertips, it's all very relaxed. So there's a side view. Then the other way. Just trying to flick stuff out. These are less stretches and more exercises, but we're not really flexing anything yet. We're just flicking. Okay, and then have your elbows up, and then this is where we cut off at the elbows, and then this is relaxed, and then you toss your hands back. And this should get the underside here. At least it does for me. I like to move my head around, get some angles. And then over the top, again, this is relaxed, you throw your hands back. And I finish it up by going back down. I find that moving your arms closer into yourself gets the stretch a little bit more intense. Okay, now, so we've cut off here, here, now we'll cut off here. So I like to web my hands, and then we go back. Should get everything in your arms, to your fingertips, to your chest. And then I add a bit of neck. And this also enhances the chest. And the other side. Okay, and then you go forward. Again, it's not like making controlled circles. It's like I'm flicking my hands down, and then the momentum brings them up. And then you do this Michael Phelps thing, where you come forward, and then cross down, and then when your hands come up, flick them back down. And then when you flick them down, they come back up, and then cross the other way in like a figure eight. So the actual flicking motion is downward. That's the important one. You shake your head. Relax your face muscles. And go slower. And just stretch. A was everything cut off there, and we cut off the legs. I like to stretch out around my ankles a little bit, back up, stretch out around my ankles. Just because things, for me at least, get a little bit tight here. Okay, and then you try to go in these like circles, right? But again, it's not about being controlled. It's about flicking stuff out. I'm not so good at the circles, so I just kind of shake. And you just shake from the ankle down. Then, other side. Okay, and then cut off at the knees, right? So then this go here. This one as well is supposed to go in a circle, but for me it just ends up being this. There we go. Now we cut off at the hips, right? So just kind of start going up and then out. I like to do 5. And then you go up and then back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the other side. 1,